Hey, Lime, what you got on you? I got that shit on me tonight. I ain't gonna cap you down. No, for real. I got it on me.
How much you got on you? How much you got on you? Hey, how much you got on you?
It's just a 10.
Hey, how much you got on you?
It's a little 20.
How much you got on you?
It's just a 30.
How much you got on you?
I blow the 40.
How much you got on you?
I made it 50.
Hey, how much you got on you?
It turned it to 60.
How much you got on you?
And I spent it 70.
Hey, how much you got on you?
It came back with 80.
Hey, how much you got on
I
you?
came with a whole
Hey, how much you got on you?
bitch, I got a lot.
Hey, how much you got on you?
Y'all wanna fuck me
Hey,
down.
how much you got on you?
She say I'm hot.
Hey, how much you got on you?
I got a lot.
Hey, how much you got on you?
Yeah, this a lot.
I got a lot on me,
I got a lot on me.
but that ain't a lot of me.
That ain't a lot to me.
Talking about money, money, money.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So here we go. Gotta bust my behind on the doggone diesel piston in here. Here we are. So the old one's out. I already got it out already. So when you're to take these out, these two screws right here have to come out. That little clip comes out. This little clip right here has to come out. And then put it in for reverse operation apparently. Classic car industry gave me a seal, but it don't make sense. So this is what they gave me. This is what is supposed to be there. So I don't know what happened with this, but this is one that's supposed to be in there. It's a little rat-a-tat-tat, but I'll make it work again. I really don't know what they're, I don't know. So when you take the old one out, this is going to be on there. Be careful taking it out, or make sure that this is in the box, because as you see, it was not in my box. So make sure this is in the box. If not, either you can hit them up, let them know. But this is what came with mine. I'm not using that. I'm using that. So do with that information as you may. Like I said, be careful taking a little seal off if you don't have it. Put mine back on. Like I said, these come off that, and then it just pops right out. The issue I was dealing with a few days ago when I said it was stuck, I forgot that the loop hose is on the other side, so that's what was causing me type of fight, but it falls right out and everything. So that's the issue I was dealing with. So I'll update y'all on that. So I'm gonna put this little seal back on. Like I said, I don't know what classic car industry was thinking of, but this is what we're doing. Putting this back on here. You want this on there so that way it seals. I mean, you put some extra sealant on it maybe, but I don't want to deal with extra things later on down the road, because like I said, I don't plan on ever selling this car. So I mean, for the right price, everything's for sale, right? Alright, so that's on there now. That goes in there like that. This comes up just a little. And then that's how it looks when you pull it off. But that's how it looks, how it should look going back on. So make sure you follow everything. Everything's good on your end. And then you're just gonna lift and put her back in just like you took her out. So show you how it look like. So we got it in. Oh man, she dropping. She on 3-wheel. She always want to be on 3. But just remember, got them bolts right there, there. Don't mind my wires. I said I loomed them. There's 2 bolts. There's a bolt behind that bracket, and then there's one down low. This right there. And then you got your little speed nuts. So always remember that. Like I said, I'm gonna cap mine off, so I still gotta pull this off, get it powder coated. So a little by a little, but Now I know I got a good one in there and be able to run everything as it goes, have heat. So little tidbit, what's going on, how everything's going for the heater core. So this was the installation proportion. Make sure you get all the hardware back in. Make sure you get that seal back on. Well, vice versa. When you get it in, make sure you got little clips on. It's 2 bolts, little clip. And then make sure you put your seal on. Put your seal on, press up in there. Make sure that the cables are all out of the way and everything. And once the cables are out of the way, it's fully in, then you put your hardware on. Once hardware on, then you're pretty much there. So right now, we're getting ready to put the fender liner back in and go from there. I said, for you that do have heat already, just make sure you hook your hoses up. Easy day, right? If you don't, well, I got more to come. So I'm pretty sure I'm running off the thermostat housing or the water pump. But I know that it's going to be there. I might pop that loose, run it back over here. So it's short and long. So we'll see how everything goes. Depends on how I want to ride everything. Anyway, till next time, y'all know, as always, keep it macking. Peace.